children, good morning. Welcome to Hindi class. Namaste. Okay, today let's quickly revise all what we have learnt. Okay? You remember everything, right? Yeah, like an exercise we will do it so that we don't forget all what we have learnt. Okay, we'll start with K. Let's say all the letters first and then we will go to words for each letter. K, K, G, G, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, T, Th, D, and we are going to learn the next one. Okay? It's called Dh. T, Th, D, Dh. Okay? This D a little more extra sound you give. Dh. Okay? First we will see what all we saw for K. K se Kamal, Kangan, Katori. Kh se Khana, Khidki, and then Khargosh. G se Ganga, Gala, Gaय. Gh, घ से घर, घंटी, घोड़ा. ङ से कुछ भी नहीं है. च, च से चांद, चम्मच, चाय. छ, छ से छत, छाता, अम्ब्रेला एंड छिपकली. ज, ज से जहाज, जंगल, जादू, मैजिक. देन झ, झ से झरना, झुमका एंड झंडा, फ्लैग. नेक्स्ट वन इज न्या. न्या से भी कुछ भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वन इज ट. ट से टमाटर, टब एंड टांग, योर लेग, टांग. नेक्स्ट इज ठ. ठ से ठठेरा, ठप्पा एंड ठंडा. ड, ड से डब्बा, डर एंड ड से डमरू. The new letter which I am going to teach you is that extra sound you have to give for D, which is dh. Okay? See how you write it? Just like your T, you just have to curl it a little more inside. See? Okay? Now bend it inside. That's all. Th. Okay? Sorry, dh. Say that, dh. Shall we see some words that begin with the sound dh? Okay. Just take a look at this picture. Come. If you see in this picture, these children are searching something, right? They are searching something behind the bush. बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? ढूंढ रहे हैं. ढूंढना. ढ, ढूंढना, to search, to go find out. ढूंढना. So if you lose something, जाके ढूंढना है आपको. ढूंढना. ढ, ढूंढना. Then ढ से ढोलक. ढ से ढोलक. Next one, ड से duffly. That is wrong here, so ignore this. Okay, don't go into this thing because we learned it is d se duffly. We are learning dh, so this is wrong. Don't look into this. Dholak. And next one is dhakkan. Dhakkan means lid, any lid of a dabba. Dhakkan. Say dhakkan. Then next one is मेंढक. 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 Okay, मेंढक. Next one is ढेर. Dher. Dher means a lot, a heap. Okay, just a heap of something. Can be leaves, can be papers, all collected together is called dher. Next one is dhancha. Dhancha. Dhancha means it's a frame. Okay, whenever you're making a building or something, first you'll make a frame for it, no? And then you build upon it, like you put in bricks and cement on it. But before that, that frame what you see is called as dhancha. Dhancha. Then next one is dhalan. Dhalan means downhill, going downhill. In a hill, you go up or you will come down. See, this boy is coming down the hill with a cycle, right? So, he is coming through the dhalan, through the downhill, dhalan. And the last one is what you are seeing very often because of this corona. Everyone covers their face with a shield, no, and plastic shield. That is called dhal. Dhal. The shield which is used for covering yourself, for fighting against something. Right now we are fighting with the corona. Shall we say the words one more time? Dhoondna, dholak, dhakkan, mendak, dher, dhancha, dhalan, dhal. Okay? In your Bal Prabodhini, you will see dha se dhakkan, and you will also see dhalan, the downhill. Okay? Dhalan. But the picture what they have given for shield is actually the thing that you get as an award. Okay? But we are not talking about that shield. We are talking about the one which you will use for fighting. In fact, they used to give this as a prize for people who used to win in fighting. Okay, games were all about competition and fighting. So, those who win, they will get a shield like this. But the dhal which we are talking about is the shield that we use for fighting. If you take your workbook, in that you will see again this dhal. Can you see that? Dhal. There you having this fighting shield only. It is to protect you. When they go for one fighting, sword fight, katti sanda, sword fight. When they go for sword fight, they will hold in one hand, they will be holding the sword, and the other hand they will be holding this dhal or the shield. Okay, to protect themselves. Now the mask what you are wearing, that plastic mask you are going to wear is also a dhal. Okay, then you have dhakkan and you have dholak. Okay, and you have to practice writing dha along the tracing lines and the space provided here. Again, you will do this after you have done your shadow writing. So, okay children, will you all do that? Dha. Now we will sing one song. It's been a long time, no? We have not sung any song. How about a new song? Okay. What is a bear called in Hindi? Name of wild animals, jungli janwar I gave you, no? Bhalu. Did you come across bhalu? Bhalu means what? Bear. What is it? Bear. The grizzly bear. Okay? The bears, where do they live? In the jungle. If you want to bring it to the, if you go sometimes towards this villages and all, there will be one man who will bring this balu, and the balu will do some dance and some tricks and all. Therima? It will do some tricks. That person is in Hindi is called as Madari. Madari. The Madari will actually control the bear, because if the bear goes angry, it can maul you. It can just hurt you. So, in villages again you will see sometimes people will bring snake and they will make the snake dance and do tricks and all, right? So that is called a snake charmer. Similarly, they will bring this bhalu also, and that person who tames that balu and makes it do tricks is called as a madari. Okay? Are you ready to sing the song? And how is this bhalu? It will have nice long black hair, right? Then how does it walk? Does a bear run fast or does it walk very slowly? Yeah, it's very heavy, so it will move very slowly like a lazy fellow he'll go. धीमी धीमी चाल है उसकी, very very slowly. धीमी धीमी चाल, very slowly it moves. Okay, and then when the madari makes it dance, very nice moves it will do. Tatak, tumak, tumak, like Diksha will do, no? Like that. Okay, shall we sing? Okay, come. एक मधारी लाया बालू. Sing. एक मदारी लाया बालू, नाम था उसका मोटा बालू. नाम था उसका मोटा बालू, काले काले उसके बाल. से काले काले उसके बाल, धीमी धीमी उसके चाल.
धीमी धीमी उसके चाल,
काले काले उसके बाल.
काले काले उसके बाल,
धीमी धीमी उसके चाल.
धीमी धीमी उसके चाल.
ठुमक ठुमक के नाचे बालू.
ठुमक ठुमक के नाचे जंगल चोर.
बालू वाले रस्सी कोल,
बालू वाले रस्सी को,
इस बालू को जंगल छोड़.
इस बालू को जंगल छोड़.
बालू वाले रस्सी कोल,
बालू वाले रस्सी खोल,
इस बालू को जंगल छोड़.
इस बालू को जंगल छोड़.
Shall we sing again? That is all. One more time. Let's sing. एक मधारी लाया बालू, नाम था उसका मोटा कालू. लंबे लंबे उसके बाल, धीमी धीमी उसके चाल. लंबे लंबे उसके बाल, धीमी धीमी उसके चाल. ठुमक ठुमक के नाचे बालू. बालू वाले रस्सी कोल, इस बालू को जंगल छोड़. बालू वाले रस्सी कोल, इस बालू को जंगल छोड़. Okay? Because you have to let the balu go back to the jungle. It is not right to make them dance. Okay? Earlier they used to do all that. They used to make the snake do the tricks, or they'll make the elephant come and do some tricks in front of you, or they will bring even this bhalu. So bandar, monkeys they used to bring, right? Kadithila kairu kattittu, they'll tie one rassi on the neck and they will bring. So that is what we are saying. बालू वाले रस्सी खोल, इस बालू को जंगल छोड़. Go leave it in the jungle. Okay? Got it? Okay. Sing and practice this song. Okay? See you again in another video. Until then, ta-da!